Okay, what are these? What are you
These
going?
are blueberry plants. This is a blueberry plant. There are ripe blueberries in there.
Oh, I see the blueberries. Look at the blueberries.
Some of those are actually ripe.
Yeah, I see. So cool.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures.
Hi, I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today, we're going to be showing you me and my dad's garden. So, stay tuned. This is our automatic watering system. If you look closely, you can see tiny holes inside of the pipes.
The white pipes there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those white pipes. So, this hose over here, my daddy pushed the button, the hose runs.
That's the hose.
That's the hose right there. It runs all the way down and it comes around here.
And it connects to these pipes?
Yeah, and then it comes right here, connects to this pipe right here, and then that pipe spreads water all across the garden.
Okay, oh wow. So where do the pipes run?
All the way over here.
So this is where the pipes run?
Yeah,
So
they run all the way over here.
Okay, these white pipes.
These white pipes.
Uh-huh.
And then the holes water them, and they also come over here. Come over here, and they water my watermelon plant. I'm gonna show you my side of the garden.
Okay.
It has 3 watermelon plants.
All right, 3 watermelon plants.
I'm
And
pretty
these
sure
other-
this is Daddy's side.
Okay,
This
what are
counts as-
these? What are you
These
going?
are blueberry plants. This is a blueberry plant. There are ripe blueberries in there.
Oh, I see the blueberries. Look at the blueberries.
Some of those are actually ripe.
Yeah, I see. So cool.
Now I'm going to show you my dad's side of the garden. Over here, this is basil.
Okay, that's basil. Okay.
And then if you look over here, this is some beets. We have beets growing.
Okay, beets here.
This is our Swiss chard. We have Swiss chard right here.
Okay, so that's Swiss chard.
This is sweet pepper.
This one is sweet pepper.
We
Okay.
have lettuce over here.
All right, this is lettuce. Okay, and I see the sign for bell pepper there. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Bell pepper over
Okay.
there. Okay, over here we have some turnips. And if you might not be able to see it, but I'm pretty sure there's three of them ripe.
Oh, I see it there.
There's 3 turnips ripe.
Okay, I see it. I see that little purple. Yeah, that's the turnips. Okay.
And over here we have some corn.
Oh, corn. This where the yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's corn.
Right there we have some real tomatoes.
Oh, so this is the tomato plant here. Okay.
Okay, and then over here we have some sunflowers.
Where are the sunflowers? Back there?
Yeah, back there.
Okay, that's a sunflower.
And then right here, next to you,
Uh-huh.
there is a cucumber, and there's a bee right next to it.
Now, what is the bee doing?
It's pollinating the cucumber.
Okay, the bee is pollinating the cucumber so it can grow. So this is a cucumber plant. Cool.
And then over here, we have some potatoes.
All right, potatoes are growing here. All right.
This is our compost.
All right, so this is the compost. It's covered up.
If you open it,
But I see a little.
there's a worm right there.
Oh, there it is. You guys see the worm there? I see it. Okay, so this compost helps us make healthy dirt. Or
Yeah.
healthy soil to grow the plants, right?
Yeah, he's moving.
Oh yeah, I see him.
In our compost bin, we put banana peels, orange peels, we put rotten vegetables, eggshells, and tea bags. That's our garden. Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to watch all of our videos in the link below. Bye.
And subscribe.
Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.